Social skills is an area of deep concern when it comes to homeschooling. Many critics point out that since man needs to hone his social skills, a homeschooling environment where social interaction is limited is detrimental to his growth and development. Studies have proved this wrong. Children put into the fiercely competitive school environments lack the confidence to hold a conversation. Such children show little genuine interest in the topic of conversation and don't know how to interact with people of various age groups, especially their elders. Children who learn at home are more aware of the implications and the purpose of their learning. They will ask intelligent questions and make accurate observations. Children begin their life by imitating their parents. Homeschooled children, therefore, pick up the sterling qualities they see in their parents. On the other hand, they are protected from the detrimental influences of their peers. These children are then better equipped with the tools necessary to face the world. The positive reinforcement that takes place in the homeschooling environment, as opposed to being abandoned, embarrassed, or ignored in a normal school environment, strengthens their self-esteem. Children turn out to be better balanced and well-rounded as they progress into adulthood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.